My name's Andrea Senderoff, and I'm from Los Angeles, California. And I work for a digital marketing company that helps brands better understand today's youth and then helps them use that understanding to engage deeper and in more meaningful ways with today's young consumers. So Noise, the intelligence group, our agency worked with Catalyst Creative to co-curate this week. It was called Today's Evolving Workforce. So we partnered to help bring together leaders in this space from all around the country to help talk about the future of the workforce. So I've been in Vegas for about 48 hours now, and I am blown away by what's going on with the Downtown Project, totally inspired by the sense of community that I feel here just as a visitor. And I think a lot of cities from all over the country could learn a lot from what the Downtown Project is doing to just interject that strong sense of connection with the community. It's a beautiful thing. So the best collision that I've experienced since I've been here has just been connecting with like-minded individuals interested in talking very openly about some of the issues in today's workforce to solve for tomorrow. But more importantly, it's been the environment in which we've connected. Everything that the Downtown Project is doing and building is enabling these real, authentic conversations in beautiful, open environments, and it's supporting these raw, real, authentic conversations. So my company focuses on millennials and today's youth. And what makes my company unique is that we are a group of millennials ourselves, and we're so passionate about helping companies understand who we are, because we really believe that if there can be a common understanding of what we stand for and what we care about and what we're passionate about, then we can work together with all generations and work together with brands to just build a more beautiful world. What I find rewarding in life is everything that the Las Vegas Downtown Project is set out to achieve. Community, collaboration, collision. I think what's beautiful in life is meeting people that are different from us and being inspired and constantly learning and connecting and collaborating. And that is what is rewarding to me in life and what is my mission. I don't judge. I don't discriminate. I think we can learn so much from connecting and pushing each other to work together. Catalyst Creative Week is a mix of connection and pure fun.